Good evening everyone, magandang gabi, and tonight on Learn Tagalog, let's learn how to say right and wrong, or how to say that's right and that's wrong. Let's start. To say right or correct in Tagalog, sa Tagalog, you say tama, tama, ta-ma, tama. That means right, right, or correct. And to say wrong, mali, mali, li, mali. Right or correct, tama, and wrong is mali. So, that's right and wrong in Tagalog. And now, say for example, you want to say, you're right or you're correct. Tama ka. Tama ka. And to say, you're wrong, mali ka. Mali ka. Mali ka. Mali ka. You're wrong. So, that's it for tonight. That's our quick video on how to say wrong and right in Tagalog. And just a quick review, don't forget from the last video, sila, kami, at siya. So, you can say, if you mean to say, she or he, she's right or he's right. Tama siya. Tama siya. And we're right. We are right. Or we are correct. Tama kami. Or if you mean to say, they are correct or they are right. Tama sila. So, that's it for tonight. Good night. Bye.